Yo, look what we got in the mail today. We got something from a company. What could it be, you ask? Let's find out. It starts with an L, it ends with a W. It's something for the Camaro. Let's see what it could be. Oh, it could be some more lighting. Little low glow. It's their new ambient kit. So hot off the press. They just started releasing these out to the public. I pre-ordered one. It's like 150 bucks. Comes with 8 or 10 strips that go inside the car. If you've seen the car recently, it already has ambient lighting, but the lights aren't very good. So these ones are supposed to be next level. So they're infamous Scooby Stacks. So thanks guys, I got my Scooby Snacks. Ooh, we got some horsepower. Looks like, ooh, they even sent us a test light. So this is all the setup wires. These are the other wires that the ambient light will connect to. We've got some zip ties. We've got the low glow controllers. Comes with a primary controller, and then it's got 4 other controllers. The whole reason I bought this kit is because they're supposed to be Bluetooth, so I can stick these in the doors and Bluetooth to the main harness and not have to run wires through the doors. So we're going to do an install video on these pretty soon. As soon as it cools down. Oh, look, I got another horsepower. Stand back. That's at least 10 horsepower in decals. Got some instructions. Installation kit. So the kit comes with one 90 centimeter strip, one 35 centimeter strip, 6 75 centimeter strips, a power harness, 4 sub harnesses, 2 extensions, 2 Y splitters, a main controller, 4 sub controllers, a test light kit, stickers, and zip ties. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty stoked about this. I can't wait to get it installed and see what it looks like. But I can tell you right now, I'll probably be ordering some additional strands after this thing is installed. But that's what we got for the car. Tell me what you guys think.